Metal detecting along a fence. First coin, first find along the fence right here. All right, guys, I want the focus of this video to be that you can metal detect if you want up next to a fence. When you come across a situation like this, most people, you know, when you metal detect, the coil's going like this, and you're going to hear that fence, and they just avoid getting anywhere near a fence. But you don't have to. Let me show you. You can easily work along this fence just by pushing the detector, not back and forth, just straight, or pull. Get like this. Now you're going to get chatter, but you're going to listen for that special tone that tells you it's a coin. So just push it along the fence, just like this. All right, up next to the fence, I got a target. It was fairly deep, and I'm pretty sure we got it out of the hole. Right in here, it feels like. There it is. Quarter. Old quarter. All right, next up to the fence, guys. Easy to do. It's a lot slower than I'm working this fence line. You just got to move the coil just right and listen for that tone. But I just found a coin. You know, right here I'm getting a target again next to the fence. I was pushing the coil. And you know, by the way, use a 6-inch or a small coil if you have one. It works so much better. So once you get that target, just get down there and dig it out. And you're going to see right here, it didn't take but a second to pop out this quarter. Now, I guarantee you no one had walked along this fence because it just didn't want to deal with the interference of hearing that fence and the chatter. But it's well worth it. You're going to find items there. Don't forget the CopTech Vault video at the end, and you'll see the #1 canine in the nation hunt me down. Guys, let me show you. So talk about dragging this along the fence, and you're going to get some chatter. And then you hear that. Hear it? See nothing? So you're going to drag this along the fence. You don't really hear anything, a little chatter, but then you'll get this. Do a little wiggle, a little dance, and there's your signal right there. 12 inches off the fence. Getting a signal. Let's see what we got. Sounds like a coin, but you just never know. Sure hoping I get a ring somewhere. No, it's a penny. Penny, penny, penny. But you can still check along this fence, folks. That's my whole point about this video. All right, up by the fence again. I'm pulling it, folks. I want you to see this now. I'm pulling it. You get chatter, but then you get a hit. See? Oh, it was a quarter. Hey there, right on the top. Oop, God dang it. Right on the top there. Pushing it along this fence, you're going to get chatter, but listen to this tone. When you see that, just spend a little bit more time there. And lightly move it. 26, 27. I think there's something right there. Just check it out. Boy, this is nice and wet. There it is. It's a coin. You can see it right here. It's a quarter. That was a quarter talking to me. So just dragging or pulling along the fence. You just got to do it slow. That's what we heard. Good find. All right, using that same technique and working along the edge here with the coil, just pulling it or pushing it, I got a penny. It's right here. And it's probably been down there a while too. There you
you go. Same, and I'm going to work it all the way around, guys. Getting kind of bouncing around here a little bit. There we go. 28. A little deep though. Oh yeah, see, we're still getting a good 30, 31 down there. Let's get down and take a look. Looks like it's out of the hole. It's not in there, so let's see if we got it out. It's right in here. It's in my hand. It feels something and it's a quarter. Yeah, it's been down there a long time. So that tells me no one's worked this fence line. There it is, penny.
Hopefully you'll work this area along the fence where items are dropped. It's easy, just pull that coil. Now let's talk about the chair line, and that's anywhere that they're going to sit in those chairs along the fence. You want to check that because coins and other items are going to fall out of their pockets.
Oh, there it is right there. Fell out. Another dime. Boy, the dark here. Another dime. On that chair line, folks. Look, that's a good view. Straight down that fence, right where you'd put a chair. Work it nice and slow. Right there, folks. Ew, and it's a penny. Big penny. No, it's a dime. Gotta get the fog off these glasses. Got a dime right along that chair line. Again, I worked the fence. Now I'm working back just a little bit where the chairs would be. Well, that's a good hit there. Piece of aluminum or could be some gold. Low tone, repeatable, solid. The only bad thing is it's next to these ants. Alright, doesn't appear to be that deep. Let's go take a look. Okay, we got out of the hole. Oh, guys, I see something there. I see a little bling. Look at that. I can get it with a pinpointer. Look at that. Looks like we got us an earring, guys. That's probably gold. Oh, I can't wait to get home and look at this thing. It's, I don't know, it's fading. No. Looks like it's starting to come off right there. Well, that was a good tone. Nice earring next to the fire ants. Guys, I'm getting a hit, 25. Watch this. Right there. Surface fine. I didn't see it before, but this is right there where the chairs sit. Look at that. Sweet dime. Here we go. The penny in that chair line. That's always going to pay off, guys. Penny. Another Lincoln. Free. There you go. Quarter. Another penny. Just saw it. There it is. Clay penny. Got the dirt popped open, pulled the shovel out, and it popped right out. Look at that. Doesn't get much easier. Man, these coins are all over this area. There it is. Saw it right on the top and banged it. There it is. What the heck is that? Another dime? Yeah. Not that dark. Another dime. In the pocket. I mean, it's a 29.30. It's right here. Yeah. Quarter, just like I thought. 29.30. All right, I'm in Park 2, getting another coin. Sounds like a coin right here. There it is. Another dime. Golly, I wish I could find dimes like this every day. Another dime. Holy smokes. Got a penny up behind the bleachers here. Pretty smooth here, folks. Let me show you. I got a 30, which sounds like a quarter. So I flip it out real quick, the dirt, and there it is right there. Still stuck in the side. That's a quarter. I love it when they're like that. It just, boy, it's like sugar sand. There it is. I call it the dance. Little wiggle there. Little wiggle, little wiggle. Man, it is right there, maybe an inch down. Right there. Little wiggle in the wall. Pop it right out. There you go. Dime by the trash can. Right in here. There it is. I feel it. Quarter. Yeah. Do a little dance there. Little dance. Let's see what we got. Doesn't seem like it's real deep. There it is. Look, it flipped right off. Look at that. A dime. This place got a lot of dimes. The surface fine, been kicked around, just a junker. Little junk ring, been kicked around. I'll take it though. It's right in there. See if we can get it. Oh, I felt it. There it is. There you go. Got a penny. Penny from that little gap between the two roots. There you go, another penny up by this tree. There it is. Nice shiny quarter. Probably just dropped. Under the bleachers. Using the Equinox 800. Yeah. Bring it up to 20. Think or so. Another quarter. Penny. I mean, it's just a penny. Just kind of cool how it's still stuck there. Very cool. Yeah, there you go. Another one in the hole. There it is, another dime. Penny. I love it when you pop them out and they sit just like that, waiting for you. Another quarter. Looks a little bent there. Guess that won't be going through the coin machine. Got us a dime. Looks brand new. Pretty pretty.
You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the Cop Tech Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. This is amazing, folks. For 2 years in a row, the police dog Bruno won the top dog in the nation by the United States Police Canine Association. That's 2 years in a row. He was on magazines, TV. Everybody was talking about our police dog Bruno, trained by Officer Ted Seeley. Now, this dog was like no other dog you've ever seen, and I wanted to put him to the test, and training is what it's all about. So this next video clip, you'll see me running and hiding, and if the dog can find me. This was from 2013, by the way, and this is the actual unedited video.
Okay, we're getting ready to do a canine track. I've got Ted Seeley, #1 dog in the nation. I'm going to take off running and go around this house, and I'm going to go back and hide in a shed that's right behind me, and hopefully the dog will track and not bite me. We'll see how it works, so stand by. All right, the dog's coming after me. I'm gonna hide up here in the shed.
The dog that is tracking me is the #1 dog in the nation. That's right, #1 right here at LPD. And the award-winning canine, well, he tracks right to me. That didn't take long.
Hope you enjoyed this Cop Tech video from 2013.
Versus my father.